Before we continue, would you mind subscribing to this channel? We've been doing lots of work, engaging with lots of brands and bringing you the best of everything that's available in the market. We cannot otherwise without your support. We need your support to continue to engage with brands and bring the latest and greatest in tech. Additionally, why we ask for your support is because we specifically ask for discounts for our viewers, and they will all be exclusive discounts through MyNextBest. So all we ask is to continue to support the channel. This family needs to grow bigger, so we are stronger, better together. So we work with the brands to bring bigger and better discounts for you guys. Thank you so much if you've subscribed. Let's continue. What's up guys, you're watching MyNextBest, and this is a very special video. Very special for us because we've been sent a gift. A gift that we cherish, we love, appreciate people spending some time to think about all the work that we've been doing. And this has been sent to us by AOSU. We've been partnered with them for over 10 months now, nearly 10 months. And this is a gift of appreciation that we've received from their team. And we really value the time that they've spent in thinking about us and all the effort put in all through the year in 2024. So this is a very special one for us. Let's open the box and see what we have inside. Wow, I'm so excited to see the contents inside. It's very, very exciting to be gifted for all the efforts that you put in, all the hard work that you do. And the first thing that we get out of the box is a little emblem of security. It says, "I caught you." Let's open this one up. Wow, look at that. Beautiful. I think it's a magnet. It would probably stick on metal doors or your post box, for example. That'd be a good place to put this on. Pretty cool. What else do you have? Wow! Look at that! Whoa! Look at that. This is amazing. So it reads, Certificate of Honor, Annual User Contribution Award. This certificate is proudly presented to MyNextBest in recognition of your outstanding support and valuable contributions throughout the year. With heartfelt gratitude, the AOSU team, December 25th, 2024. Wow, this is unlike anything else. Look at that. Looks pretty cool. This could go in like so. And you can just keep it onto the table. Just in appreciation of all the hard work that we've done. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I appreciate it, AOSU. Thank you so much for the gift that you've sent us. I might also hang this one on to the wall, which would be an option, but this is so good. Thank you, AOSU, for printing this and thinking about us, all the hard work that we've done. We've actually done an awful lot together in 2024, and thank you so much. This means a lot. So what else? We've got quite a few other things as well inside the box. Wow. A guidebook of AOSU security by Glazero International. What else? Oh! SolarCam P1. This is the only camera that we probably haven't reviewed so far. So it's probably going to be coming soon. SolarCam P1. Oh boy, we haven't reviewed this. We never had this. We had the P1 Pro. And this is the only one in our stack probably that we haven't reviewed so far. Yeah, it's going to be an interesting one to review for sure. Great. These indoor cameras are so important for such requirements if you've got kids or pets, etc. So yeah, Sony, thank you for that. And let's keep it on to the side. And finally, we've got something. Is that a jumper? Let's have a check. Wow, that's a good jumper with the AOSU branding. Wow, that's cool. What size is that? Hopefully it's large. XL. Okay, that's fine. That's going to do the job. Wonderful. Thank you so much. Nice, pretty cool fabric. Very good quality material. AOSU branding over here. So we are part of Team AOSU now. That's great. Great. So yeah, absolutely amazing stuff that we have here. Everything that you guys have shared and we appreciate the token of appreciation, everything that you've shared, and especially this emblem. This means a lot. You've selected and chosen us to be your partners, and over time, the time that we've spent in promoting your products, it's absolutely amazing. Everything that we've done, it shows the contribution that we've put in. It means you value that, which is a big deal, which means a lot to us. And just a little note before we end, any brand who might be interested in working with us, for us to promote their products, review their products, tech products, of course. We are primarily focused at tech products, but everything else is most welcome as well. Please feel free to reach out. We are more than happy to collaborate with you, spend time to test your products and get a review out as soon as we can. We have record turnaround times, we are very fast, and you'd be surprised at how quickly we deliver. And yeah, on that note, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Take care. Cheers. Bye.